I'm so excited to announce that doors to the Money Management Mastery for Working Women program are open. If you are a working woman and you are wondering where your money goes each pay period, if you are wondering when you'll be debt-free, when you will have a savings, when you can start your business, when you will feel in control of your finances, I want the answer to that to be now. Let me introduce you to Money Management Mastery for Working Women. Over the course of 8 weeks or 6 modules, I will take you through the entire money management mastery journey, starting with mastering your mindset. That's right, we're going to be thinking positively about money, getting to the root of your fears and limiting beliefs around money, and understanding how your financial upbringing and influences shape how you act with money today. From there, we will get clear on exactly what your money is doing right now. Even if it's scary, even if you have no idea where to start, I will be there with you every step of the way. And once we know where your money is currently going, we can start working to proactively change that. We will be getting clear on what you want your money to do for you, and then we will create a budget that helps make that happen. From there, you will get my tried and true tracker and template to make sure that you are sticking to your budget, you're tracking your spending, you are on top of your finances. Then we will work to put a few key financial basics in place. Think things like investing, credit monitoring, the proper bank accounts, and making more money. And then we will finish it all with learning lifelong, that's right, lifelong routines to help you sustain everything you've learned in this program. Now, if you don't know much about me, then let me enlighten you. I started City Girl Savings after I completely transformed my life through budgeting. I was spending money I didn't have. I was traveling. I was shopping. I was buying things I didn't need. I was broke. And it wasn't until I almost got evicted. Yes, I literally walked up to my apartment door and saw an eviction notice that I finally decided I had to turn my life around. I got myself on a budget. Eventually, I paid off my debt. I got myself into a position where I'm on track to retire with over $1 million. And I now run City Girl Savings, where I help other women turn their life around through proper budgeting and money management processes. So if you have struggled with budgeting, if you have struggled with managing your money, I want you to know that if someone like me, someone who likes to travel and go out to eat and enjoy life, if someone like me can turn her situation around, so can you. If someone like me can pay off thousands and thousands of dollars of credit card debt, so can you. If someone like me can stop living paycheck to paycheck, so can you. I hope that you take this money management mastery journey with me as I walk you through everything you need to know to succeed with the money you work so hard for. You are so worthy of financial success. You are so worthy of mastering the money you work so hard for, and I want to help you do it. So I hope I get to see you in Money Management Mastery for Working Women. We start soon.